Tell them good morning. Say good morning. It knows one blow.
Yeah, they say when you grow up, you'll understand when you're old. Guess I'm still a kid, I don't know if I'll ever let go of this. Say goodbye to the old me, we ain't friends anymore.
Alright, so I'm taking my Santi makeup palette from Fontana Pharmacy. They, however, don't have it anymore, but this is the only palette that I have that has this array of colors. And today I wanted to do a colorful look. These contact lens are from Dahab Lens. I've tagged them on my Instagram. I believe I'm wearing gray. I got two lenses from them, a gray one and a brown one. The brown one, oh my god, it looks so sexy. But this gray one is cute too, but the brown one, oh my god, it looks so sexy. But yeah, so now first of all, okay, so for this one, I know I wanted something pinky purple, but I didn't know how to go about it. And this is what my tutorials, this is the route it normally goes. I just wanted something and then I create. That's what I love about me being a makeup artist, but most importantly, that's what I love about me filming my YouTube videos. I almost don't have a reason for what I do. I do it because it feels right. And I know that sounds stupid, but for people who are extremely artistic, oh god, I sound very, what do you call it now, cocky, like misogynistic, that's the word. I sound really cocky, like I'm tooting my own horn. But for people who just create art, well, I don't, let me talk about myself. For me, whenever I do my makeup, I don't want a reason for what I'm doing it. I just want to create. But in makeup, of course, obviously, as there is with life, there are do's and don'ts. Oh, this is corrupt. This is corrupt from Makeup Geek Cosmetics, the black and the big eyeshadow that I use is not eyeshadow, it's actually a blush from Inglot as my number 63 blush that I used before this one. But yeah, so as I was saying, so with anything in life, there are boundaries, there are do's and don'ts, there are, pros and cons, and it's the same goes with makeup. And a sexy segue to say, I'm having makeup classes in Tamarack, Florida again. So I just want to take the time out to let y'all know that I'm gonna be in Tamarack, Florida. And you might be saying, look, girl, why you keep going to Tamarack? First of all, it's my second time going to Tamarack, so I'm not making it a habit. It's just somewhere that's familiar for me. I want to do something in Coral Springs, but I believe that's 50 minutes away. So those of you who are in Coral Springs can travel, I guess, the 50 minutes to Tamarack, Florida. All the information is on my website, LyricRochester.com. I'm using my my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NW35 for this the cream that you see there. That's what I just used. Right, so it's a certified class. I was going to have uncertified classes, but the time to promote is too short. So if you want me to do uncertified classes, meaning a one-on-one, or if you want to book me for a group session that's uncertified, please email classes@lyricrochester.com, and I can definitely sort that out, because I want to come a week before my classes, actually, to leave room for that. If it is that's the case, I need to up and buy my plane ticket. So if this is what you want to do, let me know ASAP. 2 days after this video goes up, I will no longer make myself available for that kind of for that arrangement specifically. So I'll just go, meaning translation, I'm just buy my plane ticket 2 days after the video go up. Yeah, so I just want to make a note though, whenever I'm doing colors, in order for them to blend effortlessly, I always overlap my colors. Zine, I teach these in my class. I teach how to use colors, color correcting, color blocking, why this, why that. I answer the whys to all the questions. BT dubs, the black that I just used as like an eyeliner is actually my LA Pro primer in black. And I must say, this is not very good for people with oily skin or watery eyes. Like, this crap runs like crazy. My eyes, it doesn't do that for my eyes, but I've noticed on clients that it does. Before I used an orange eyeshadow to put on the beginning of my eye there, but then I'm going to change it to a really ice blue, and I didn't hold it up in the video. I just saw it and chose and decided to go like a whole blue theme underneath the bottom. See, that's the ice blue. The lashes I'm using are Watermelon from La Page Trends, again, that you'll see in this video. And again, the contact lenses is from Dahab Lens on Instagram, Dahab, Dahab Lens, Lens on Instagram. They did send them to me to promote for them, so that's why I'm repeating it for you guys. What else happens in this video? Oh, for my lipstick, I am wearing Snob. Oh my goodness, this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. I got sent these from Beauty something. I got an email. I said it in my vlog a couple weeks ago to fill out something, and if I want free stuff to promote, I was like, okay, and I actually got sent it. I was very surprised, but it's okay. It's just another mascara, and I did notice that my lashes stood out some more, mostly because it's a brand new tuber mascara, so you know it did stand out. It was pretty good. The lipstick that I'm going to use is Snob from MAC Cosmetics, and the lip liner that I'm going to be using is my LA Girl Espresso lip liner. That's what I'll be using. I already mentioned the lashes. This is the blush that I used earlier on for my eyes, and I'm also going to be using it as my blush. And I'm flashing, tapping, because this blush is extremely pigmented. What else? Yeah, so classes in Tamara. Oh, lash glue. This is lash glue because I'll be applying my glitter as another glitter cut crease. Excuse me, guys, this look for this year to this date is hands down the best look I've ever done on myself. I am in love with this. I'm so in love. I want to do this look every single day, but it is time consuming. This is my glitter from ijustdeluxe.com. I can't remember the names of them, but you know, she has a bunch of them on there. Not ijustdeluxe. You can go on ijustdeluxe.com and also issakenenofe.com as well. She's the one that that get my bonnets from, the colorful bonnets. issakenenofe.com. And then later on in the video, I'm going to be using a traditional eyeliner pencil. That pencil is also from issakenenofe.com. It is that eyeliner pencil, bro, it stays wherever you put it. See? So yeah. And here I'm just applying the glitter I applied before right on the inside of my eyes as well to add a bit of pizzazz. Yeah, so that's it for this video, you guys. And again, I can't thank you guys enough for your support for my channel. It really means a lot to me. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. It really supports my channel. Thank you for your support, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.
I don't worry, don't fret.
Tell them.
Them say them a go write me off, but this a battle me a win, yeah. I don't fear no pagans, I don't fear none. There's gonna be a brighter day, there must be a better way. Cause all them a talk and still a send threat. Psalms 91, it never fail yet. Been through the fire, enough tears and sweat. Nothing me go through and don't give up, yeah.